Hello and welcome to another lecture in Argo CD course by techlatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview and objectives, then Argo CD, what is Argo CD, then key features of Argo CD. Now in this lecture we will cover benefits of Argo CD. So today we are discuss the benefits of using Argo CD in software development and deployment. As we all know, deploying application to Kubernetes can be complex and time-consuming process. However, with Argo CD, we can simplify this process significantly. With Argo CD, it streamlines the deployment process by automating the steps involved in deployed application to the Kubernetes. This means that we can reduce the time and effort required to deploy our application and focus on more important tasks. Another significant benefit of using Argo CD is improved collaboration among development and operation team. The GitOps workflow used by Argo CD fosters better collaboration by using Git as a shared source of truth. These mean that both development and operation teams can work together more effectively using the same source of truth to manage application deployment. Then next is enhanced visibility. So in addition to simplified deployment and improved collaboration, Argo CD also provides enhanced visibility into application deployment. With Argo CD, teams can track changes, rollbacks, and deployment history, giving them a proper understanding of their application deployment. This visibility is critical in today's fast-paced development environment where teams need to be able to quickly identify and resolve issues. By using Argo CD, teams can also ensure consistency across deployment. Argo CD ensures that the actual state of the application consistency mirrors the desired state recording Git repositories. This means that teams can confident that their application are deployed correctly and that an issue can be quickly identified and resolved. Furthermore, Argo CD supports scalability and is ideal for managing large-scale enterprise Kubernetes deployment. Its built-in support for scalability means that teams can easily manage complex deployment without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. So these are some benefits of Argo CD. Also, I'm covering some uh, features of Argo CD in this lecture. So basically, if we're talking about features, so automated deployment application to specified target environments, supports for multiple config management templating tools like Customize, Helm, JSONet, Plain YAML, then ability to manage and deploy to multiple clusters, SSO integration, OIDC, Auth2, and LDAP, SAML 2.0, GitHub, GitLab, Microsoft, LinkedIn multi-tenancy and RBAC policies for authorization, rollback, where anywhere to any application, configuration committed in Git repository, health status analysis of application resources, automatic configuration, drift detection and visualization, then uh, automated or manual syncing of application to a desired state, web UI which provides real-time view of application activity, CLI for automation and CI integration, BAFOP integration, GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, access token for automation, pre-sync, sync, post-sync hooks to support complex application rollouts, audit trails for application events and API calls, Prometheus matrices, parameter overrides for overriding help parameters in Git. So these are some of the features of Argo CD. If you go on, this is basically the example of Argo CD configuration file. Here you can see the API version, kind, metadata, spec, destination server, source, repo URL, and then target revision project. So this is basically the Argo CD configuration file, and this is just the example. We'll also show you some demonstration part in our next lectures. Okay, so this is the UI of Argo CD. Basically, this is the docs of Argo CD. If we check here the futures of Argo CD, here you can find about the futures. Then here you can see the development status. Argo CD is being actively developed by community. Our release can be found here. If you check the release of Argo CD, then you can find about the then here you can find about the release of Argo CD, latest release and other stuff. Then here you can see the operator manual, user guide. If you check the user guide, then you can find about a lot of things like tools, customize Helm, importing Argo CD Go packages, JSON directory, tool detection, projects, and other stuff. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture, and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and and follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium, because on Medium we will post some amazing blogs and content related to latest technologies. And that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. We will meet in next video.